Dolma, and this is part 2 of teaching you guys how to dance Landro. And if you haven't seen part 1, go check it out. 2 has 3 moves. The first move is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. The second move is 1, 2, 3, 4. And the third move is 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the Landro, they dance it like this way. So the first move, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and you do this. And the third move, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to dance with music. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for part 3.